So there's a myth out there that a shockingly high number of people still believe, and that is that in order to buy a house, you need a 20% down payment, and that the only way to get around that is if you're using a special loan product like USDA, which is 0% down, or FHA, which is 3.5%. However, if you're just starting out and you're buying your first home, you may be buying something in a lower price range that needs a little bit of work. USDA and FHA and VA all have appraisal guidelines that make it kind of hard sometimes to buy a starter home that has a few rough spots on it, because they're going to require that the seller fix those things before they will make the loan. You need to know that a lot of local mortgage companies and banks have special products that are in-house products. Each one's a little bit different, but they are loans that are treated like conventional loans, which is the easiest one to get through. Some of them have zero down payment. A lot of them have a very low down payment. And I know for a fact that one of our local lenders, Canvas Mortgage, has one that has 0% down and no mortgage insurance. So you're getting a conventional loan with no down payment and no mortgage insurance. I mean, that's awesome. I believe that Priority One has one. I think theirs is called Easy 8. I don't know much about that one. The one at Canvas is called Sale. Those aren't the only ones. Talk to a good local mortgage lender and ask them if they have something comparable that would be treated like a conventional loan and have a low down payment or no down payment. Ask them if there are any income maximums, like is there an income limit? Is there a certain area I have to be in? Is there anything else I have to do to qualify for this? If you talk to one person, you don't qualify for theirs, call me and I'll give you a list of people. You can call every single one of them until you find one that you can get. But you do not need 20% down. You may not need any. You may need zero. So there are options out there that will allow you to get into a home without having a huge down payment, and I can help you with it, and a good local lender can help you figure out which product is the best one for you. So the key is to get that first house early, because once you have the first one, the next one you're not going to be worried about this, because you're going to build equity in that first house, and when you buy the next one, we're going to sell the first one, you're going to have the money from the sale to put down, and maybe you will put down 20%. You have options. Call me, I'll help.